Following total atomic annihilation, even trash may get a hidden value. Remember, having time and patience on your side, you can turn into a wealth keeper. In this video, I want to share with you my experience of how to turn any bottle cap into a valuable item. For the first step, you will need mirrored logos of the drinks printed out on photo paper, decoupage lac, brush, bottle caps, and some of the defining attributes like perception, intelligence, and luck. Here I have perfect ivory bottle caps without any prints, so I will just clean the surface with some nail polish remover. But if they have a print on them, it's better to repaint the top part of the cap into ivory with acrylics. To cover it completely, I needed like 6 layers of paint. And then, with a flat brush, I apply a lot of layers of decoupage lac on the prints one by another. And when I see that paper got wet enough, I am applying one layer of the lac directly on the cap as a glue, and then placing the print right in the middle of the cap. Later, when the lac is dry, the most fun part comes. With water I am softening up the paper and removing it, but print stays. Important to not get too enthusiastic on this. Then I am covering the white parts with acrylics, and for now they will look brand new, but we are talking here about post-apocalyptic scenario, so I want to add some rust on them. And here, as a rust, I have decided to use cinnamon. First, I am scratching the cap in places where I want to apply the thinner rust. And by placing the rust on the cap, you should also keep in mind where it makes more sense. For example, the sharp edges are more likely to get damaged, and where is the damage, there will be rust. Then with a tiny brush I put some glue on top of the scratches and dipping it into cinnamon. Then with a brown acrylic paint I am adding some shades on the rust to make the color uneven and more natural. Afterwards, I am also adding some of the main color of the cap at the borders of the rust to make it look like the rust is growing under the paint. Because the metal is the one who is getting rust, not the paint, duh! So when I am satisfied with the result, I sealed it with the mud sealant just to make sure the rust is well fixed. But if you are not going to test your caps in extreme conditions, you can skip this step. As a glossy varnish, I am using this transparent enamel paint. If you decided to use this kind of a paint as well, don't forget to introduce your brush to acetone when you are done with painting. Otherwise, you will have to arrange a funeral for it. So I'm done! I had so much fun painting those caps, but probably I had not enough of the perception stat, and now you can see that red paint on the Nuka-Cola caps matches not as well as expected, but Anyways, I'm going to glue a magnet on them and decorate my fridge. And if you have any other ideas how to use these bottle caps, please share in comments down below. Like and subscribe.